Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So our first ingredient is watermelon, and watermelon is a natural source of citrulline. Citrulline is an amino acid that may support better standing. So if you're finding it difficult, or if your junior man is finding it difficult to stand and get ready for action, watermelon contains the ingredient that will help it to stand and be ready for action. So watermelon is an important ingredient, and we need larger quantity. It's going to be larger than the other ingredients. And then the second ingredient is banana. So banana contains bromelain enzyme that increases strength and reverse impotence in men. It also gives you potassium and B vitamins like riboflavin, which increases the body's overall energy levels. So it's going to strengthen your junior man to get ready. And the last one is ginger. I cannot emphasize the benefit of ginger enough. So according to one review, animal studies show that ginger could increase testosterone production by enhancing blood flow, reducing oxidative stress, and increases fertility. Chill this, you can take it a glass daily or an hour before you start the do. Thank me later. Like this video, share this video. I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye.